Are you looking to get your permit to carry a concealed weapon in the state of Illinois? If so, this video will show you the step-by-step process on how to get your Illinois concealed carry license, all in one place right here. But before we get into the video, a quick reminder. We have a secret gun giveaway going on right now. You can enter for free, but it ends really soon. Just click the link in the description below for your free entry. First of all, it's important that you know the gun and concealed carry laws in your home state and anywhere you plan to carry a gun. It's your responsibility to stay on the right side of the law. Now, in the state of Illinois, this permit to carry is called a concealed carry license, and it is issued to you by the Illinois State Police. Here are the steps you need to take to apply for your permit to carry in the state of Illinois. Step 1, complete a firearm training course and submit your certificate of completion. A 16-hour firearms training course conducted by a state-approved instructor is required for all new concealed carry license applications. The course consists of the following: firearm safety, principles of marksmanship, care, cleaning, loading, and unloading of a concealable firearm, all applicable Illinois and federal laws relating to the ownership, storage, carrying, and transportation of a firearm, instruction of the appropriate and lawful interaction with law enforcement while transporting or carrying a concealed firearm, and proof of certification by a certified instructor that the applicant passed a live fire exercise with a concealable firearm consisting of a minimum of 30 rounds, including 10 rounds from a distance of 5 yards, 10 rounds from a distance of 7 yards, and 10 rounds from a distance of 10 yards at a target approved by DSP. Members of the military and persons who have completed a firearms training course in another state that has been approved by Illinois can obtain a credit for 8 hours of the required 16-hour course. The USCCA has certified instructors in Illinois. Visit uscca.com/training to find a class near you. To apply for an Illinois Firearms Owner ID card, complete the online applications for a FOID. Go to the Illinois State Police website and get a user ID and password. You will need the following: a valid driver's license or state identification card, a head and shoulder electronic photograph taken within the last 30 days, pay the fee with a credit card or electronic check. You will be notified by email if your FOID application has been approved. Step 3, once you have applied for and or received your FOID card, complete the online application for a concealed carry license. There are also options for submitting paper applications as well as a phone-in method. That number is 217-782-7980. The following documents are required: a valid Illinois driver's license or state ID, an Illinois State Police user ID and password, an electronic copy of your training certificate or certificates, a valid FOID or a FOID in process, an electronic head and shoulders photo taken within the previous 30 days. You must provide the last 10 years of residency. For non-residents, an electronic copy of a valid concealed carry license from the applicant's home state, a notarized affidavit documenting the applicant's eligibility under both state and federal laws, understanding of the laws pertaining to possession and transport of firearms, acknowledgement that the applicant is subject to the jurisdiction of the Illinois State Police and the Illinois courts, and that the applicant meets the mental health standards in Illinois to obtain a firearm. An applicant is not required to submit fingerprints with the application. However, the department has an additional 30 days to review an application that does not include fingerprints. If you opt to provide fingerprints, go to a fingerprint vendor and have your prints taken. Applicants will be assigned a transaction control number, the TCN, at the time of fingerprinting and will be required to retain that TCN to complete the application. Specify to the live scan vendor that your fingerprint application is for the concealed carry application. Then make your payment. Allow 90 days for processing or 120 days if electronic fingerprints are not provided. The backlog of applications vary. However, applicants for FOID cards and CCLs can view the average processing time online. Lastly, you will be notified if your application has been approved. If you are approved, your permit is valid for 5 years from the date of issue. And there you have it, the 5 necessary steps for applying for your Illinois concealed carry license. From all of us here at the USCCA, thank you for taking these necessary steps towards making your community a little bit safer. For additional details on fees, processing and delivery timelines, the renewal process, and other requirements for applying for your permit, visit uscca.com. I'm Kevin Michalowski. Stay vigilant, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.
The information contained in this guide or video is provided as a service and does not constitute legal advice. USCCA makes no claims, representations, warranties, promises, or guarantees as to the accuracy, completeness, or adequacy of the information disclosed.